Hey, it's me. The summary of the debate is simple. Donald Trump stood like a Viking Hulk above the others, differentiating himself and really showing incredible courage and leadership, even with a pathetic audience of donors and special interests all in for Rubio and Bush especially, busting, acting like cheerleaders and children. But yet Trump was there and he just stood miles above the others. Kasich did a good job because he looked like a normal human being. Jeb looked like a pathetic idiot. Ben Carson a real gentleman, and he really deserves a lot more votes. Marco Rubio with his Adolf Hitler haircut really made me queasy. I mean, this guy is such a loser. And, this guy's gonna be bald next year. Don't ever think about voting for this dweeb. And was there someone else at the debate? Oh yeah, Ted Cruz. Ted Cruz is okay. I think it's gonna be Kasich, Cruz, and Trump. And hopefully Ben Carson rises above Jeb Bush. And I have to tell you something. Nobody likes Jeb Bush. At his own rallies, he has 20 people there. He has to ask them to clap. Yet at a debate, he's like the most popular guy ever. How pathetic. The guy has to buy his audience by prostituting himself. And then he's praising his brother and mother as if they're running for president. It's so pathetic. But again, Donald Trump was a magnificent beast. And wow, if the United States had a president with that much courage and leadership, wow, things will really change. And about the Iraq War, I was for the Iraq War. But the thing turned into a mega disaster. And Obama is also to blame, but also you have to say that it was not managed well. In the end, Donald Trump is right. Because it's 2016 now. It's not 2005. It's now 2016, and there's still troops in Afghanistan. I mean, what's that? You got nothing out of it. And I agree with Trump. Next time you go, you take the oil and pay for the war.